Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the hand raise feature during a session. The hand raise feature allows students to signal that they have a question or doubt during the session. First, locate the emoticon icon within the session interface and click on this icon to access the emoticon options. Click on the hand raise option to signal that you have a question or doubt. On the teacher's side, they will receive a notification indicating that a student has raised their hand. They can then address the student's question or concern accordingly. Once the question is resolved or the doubt is cleared, the teacher or the student can lower the hand raise signal. If you're a student, the hand raise button will automatically toggle to lower hand once your question is addressed. Alternatively, you can manually lower your hand.
Roombr.